what we're gonna do tomorrow is we're gonna start working in the office. So this is gonna be a surprise for Veronica. We are going to redo the whole entire office. We're gonna paint, put lights, do the floor, build some cabinets for her. Also do a little breakfast nook area that she wants for the office. So we're gonna surprise her with that. We're gonna start working on that tomorrow. Yeah, and then once we're done with that, actually we're thinking about we're gonna redo the whole entire shop. So everything's gonna come out of here. We're gonna clean this whole entire place. Probably add a lot of more new decoration. Trying to make this a little bit more different than a traditional wood shop. So we're gonna do some kind of cool things. You know what I mean? I might do epoxy the floor. It'd be a lot easier to clean. Yo! Say what's up, Marco.
How's it going?
From Sharp Customs. That's my boy up here. If you guys got Instagram, Facebook, Google, check them out. The best of the best, power coated right here.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
What's up, bro?
You got me on camera.
I got you just right in the moment. Hey, we'll put the hashtag like right here. The hashtag will be right here. Look at that, right there. Got powder. Got
That's
powder.
awesome.
Powder coating at its best. Give me a second. Boom. Without this.
Beautiful.
Okay. So I'm just at the shop working a little bit late today. I usually don't work too late, but we have some work that I would like to get out. So we're gonna be doing prepping for staining. So we're gonna stain everything. All these are already built. We're gonna sand this down. I already did the doors. They're over there. I did the base. I did the top. And we also have to sand that door down to give it some stain today. So here we go.
Here we go.
A lot of people don't know this. So this is actually to take drawer slides. If they're like this, you just click up on one side and then down on the other side, and then they should come out easier. But this is what we got. So I like sanding the wood before I stain, like the final stain, using I think this is 320. If I remember correctly, 320. Where's my box? Yeah, 320. The recommendation usually is about 180, but I prefer 320. It gives it a lot smoother, not those freaky little hairs that sometimes you'll see. So I kind of like it. I like doing it like this. Oh, I spent too much time on that one.
How can something be too smooth, Juan?
You know, this is going to be stained, so there's going to be a lot of grains moving through everything, different sections of cabinets, because there's 3 different cabinets. So we need to make sure that the whole entire stain process matches through, and everything that you do in life takes steps. So there are steps to making sure that you can do something to the best of your ability, right? So we take these steps to try to make sure that our work is to tip-top shape. You know, our customers, you know, they choose us because they believe that we're going to do the best project for them. So we want to make sure that we do. So we're already done with this. We sanded everything down that we needed to sand down. We sanded all the drawers, all the doors, all the shelves. We removed all the hardware from it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the last finish on the door for sanding. And then once we do that, we'll go ahead and start staining everything. And hopefully we can get everything done in a decent time. But we'll see. Nothing, I'm about to start painting. I'm just having some gloves door dashed to me since I left mine at the house. And I didn't wanna go, what did you say earlier? You said something earlier over there.
Let's go barehanded?
Barehanded.
Barehanded.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted to say. I was like, I left the gloves, but I didn't want to go barehanded. So I'm getting some gloves door dashed to me. We are staining, not painting. All right, so we already finished the one side. We flipped it over. As you guys can see, looks pretty cool. You want to come down here?
Yeah.
Look at that. Get in there, get in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and stain this side. And then we're gonna stain that. Our famous Brody, he said is past his bedtime. So.
To be fair, it's 1 in the morning.
It's not even 1. That's just a mental thing that they put in your mind. Like, this is the time. So what do you mean time is time? Time is now. Now is the time. But yeah, so that's what we got, and you guys are gonna see a lot of, but it's really not that fast. I wish I could work that fast, but it's really not that fast. Yeah, it just doesn't work out. But I'll be here for a little bit longer, and that's it.
All right.
Let's get it going.